Nĩ kwanyitana o hanini thutha wa guka wanyu wa Nairobi Muthee Kiengei wa watoria kumbura ndeto cia magegania na kuruta mukana kuri aini othe ona kana onjoria a biashara aria mena muoroto wa kumukuruhania thiini wa magongona mao mwanya mwanya. Ndumiriri iria Muthee Kiengei aheanite already most of his friends na aria ni aini mathiete na mbere gutabania magongona ma brand launching na anniversaries cia gukungwira thabari yao ya uini thiini wa music industry. Na guka wa Nairobi ni aheanite gitumi giake gia kwaga kunyitanira na aini na celebs igongona-ini ria muini wa nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai uikaine ta Regina wa Anganiwe, igongona riake ria gukungwira kana celebrating 12 years in music, na oho kurekereria rwimbo rwake rweru rwa wionere njira riria aratabaniirie mwena wa bypass hoteli-ini ya Green Spot Gardens. Na despite Kiengei gukorwo ari one of the VIP very important persons aria marari invited and also friends of Regina, riu ndeto ni ciumbukite na guka wanyu wa City akarekereria ndumiriri ya kuheana mukana kuri aini othe aria maramu invite sherehe guku hoteli-ini na irabu-ini na makamukua ta backup plan. Na Kiengei took to his social media pages kuga ati you cannot invite your pastor or bishop in a bar and restaurant or in a hotel venue to launch your music or product. The reason being you respect him or her and you think they cannot come there, but you want to welcome Reverend Ben to come and do what your pastor cannot do or attend where your pastor cannot attend. Heshima ni muhimu sana. Respect us too. We have our congregation that follows our integrity. Ino ari ndumiriri iria arekereirie thutha wa mutungatiri uria wari utongoria igongona ria muini uyu never showed up. Na Kiengei niaugite onake ni abatie aheo gitio kuona onake ni mutungatiri na arumiriri a kanitha wake niwe mamwihokeire amatungatire. Ndumiriri ino ya Kiengei iria aheanite akierekeria muini Regina ta uria Kimani Gitau augite ati it's aimed at your fired acting cheerleader na uria arari na igongona hoteli-ini imwe mwena wa bypass. Na andu nimakiyumiritie na njira nene gwikira ndeto ino mukonde makiuga ni ma Reverend Ben ni abatie aheo gitio na matongoirio ni Maina David akiuga hehehehe, lakini bazu tukubaliane tu, wewe ni different, that's why guys loves you because you are original. What I mean is some pastors won't come to some venue not because of anything but their ego is too big. Wewe uko different. For a long time people have looked for a pastor who goes down to their levels. Tunakuaminia sana, although there is limits where everyone has to be aware of. For you, remain the way you are. No comparison with other pastors. Some of them have failed the gospel big time. Akiuga Reverend Ben iguanaga na andu aingi kuona he is so true and so humble na nienyihagia na kwaga mwitio kuri andu a kawaida. Na Regina wa Anganiwe has come to defend herself na kuga ati no makuhurange no ni urihotanaga tondu Ngai ari nawe. You will bounce back from every setback and negative situation you are experiencing. Rugano ni rwandike na kamuhari ka mwico ni kariku. Ino ariyo comeback ya muini uyu kuri ndumiriri iria irekereirio nenda-ini akiuga no akuhotana ni undu wa hinya wa Ngai. Ngikwihoya uthie na mbere gu subscribe niguo twekera any update ukamenyithagio uri wa mbere.